Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand about some of the basic tools like hand tool, rotate, view tool, and maybe zoom tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's have a look at this, my friend. So I've got the first tool that is known as hand tool, for which the shortcut key is H. So what I have to do, if you are standing there on selection tool and you press H button there, and if you want to move that there, or maybe upper side, or maybe at the bottom, or at the top, or the right, or the left side, so you are good to go and press H button there. And there's another way, if you hold space button on keyboard and then move that there anywhere, you are free to move that there. This is something, if you are zooming something and designing something, you want to move that there and there's not enough space, so you have to be using that of the tool for moving. And we've got the next tool that is known as rotate view tool, for which the shortcut key is Shift H. So this time I have clicked or pressed that of the buttons, and now I am free to rotate that on any degree I want. See, have a look at this. This is some time needed to rotate that in order to be working so much smoothly, well, and perfectly, and so much easily. That can make ease for you. So there's another thing, if you hold the shift button there, now you're good to go and free to rotate that on some sort of a specific degree. And there we have got the next tool that is known as zoom tool, for which the shortcut key is Z button. Well, the reason that I'm repeating time and again for you to use shortcut keys, that is, or that must be making sort of ease for you, that must also save your time and also smoothen your workflow and also make ease in your workflow. So this is what you can zoom it in. If you want to zoom it out, make sure to hold the Alt button there and you're good to go, and just press the click of the mouse. Have a look at this, my friend. And if you want to press Z button, in case you're standing there, press Z button there and you're good to go. Click there and just drag that right side and left side. See, have a look at this, my friend. If you want to zoom that out, just drag that to left side, and if you want to zoom that in, see, have a look at this, just zoom it in. So this is what you can work. And there's another way, my friend, to zoom it in or zoom it out. Make sure to just hold the Alt button on keyboard and use the scroll wheel of your mouse. Have a look at this, my friend. Use the scroll wheel of your mouse so that this will be making ease for you. And we've got something next, my friend, like fill color. So if I click there and just double click on that, and I'm applying the fill color that there, and we've got a stroke color there. If you want to swap that there, make sure to click there, see. And we've also got sort of a shortcut key for that, like X button, if you want to swap that color. And we've got the next tool, my friend, default fill and stroke. If you want to fill default colors there like black and white, just make sure to press D button so that you're good to go and apply that of colors. See, have a look at this. And we've got the next thing that is known as gradient fill. Have a look at this, my friend. Now I have applied fill color inside that of the shape, some sort of yellow color, and black color inside that of the boundary. If I click there on gradient tool, now I have applied gradient inside that of the boundary. If I swap that, so now I have applied that mainly in man color. So if you want to get rid of that, if you want to remove any sort of color there or any sort of gradient there, just make sure to click on it. So now we are good to go and we have removed that. So let's have a look at the second one, my friend. Let me change the color of that. I have changed the color of that. Let me delete that out. So we've got draw normal. So if I go there and draw it there, so this is something that is drawing normally. If I click there and this time draw that there, this is drawing that behind that of the shape, behind that red of the shape. So this is the difference that you can find. Draw inside. So this is something interesting, I think. Let me delete that out. Let me make it bigger, increase the size of that, and this time just try to go for this, and this time maybe take a sort of a star there. So I have done that, and maybe apply the color inside that of the shape. So this is just drawing a sort of shape inside that of the shape. Have a look at this, my friend. So this is something interestingly. Change screen mode, for which the shortcut key is F. If you press that, this is changing the screen mode of that. Have a look at this, my friend. Just keep pressing the F button there. And we've got the last toolbar option, that is edit toolbar. If you want to edit any sort of toolbar there, like maybe basic or maybe advanced, height, coloring, and we've got some more options like manage toolbar. So this is what I have taught you in this last sort of class, in which I have taught you all about toolbar basic options. So this is the class, or this was the class, in which I have almost done or completed all of the toolbar option or basic options. So we are going to go for the panels in the next classes, in the coming tutorials. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and take care.